My dad's the best dad in the world. He cares about everything and everyone. If something goes wrong, he would always help everyone fix it. Like, he's the best dad. I love you, Dad. You are the best dad in the world.
Happy Father's Day! Today we are baking a cake as a surprise to our father and every father around the world. Let's start!
I'm going to heat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit.
Our ingredients are 1 cup milk, half cup vegetable oil, 3 eggs, and the cake mix.
Okay, bring it out.
I'm going to use butter paper.
Okay. Now we're going to mix it together.
Yep.
احنا ضفنا كوب واحد حليب، نص كوب زيت و3 بيضات، ورح خفقنا ل3 دقائق. We mixed the eggs, milk and oil for 3 minutes. Now we are going to pour in a little bit of the cake mix.
We love you, Father.
You're the best dad in the world.
Okay. A little bit more.
Okay. So I'm going to put all the cake mix in here.
Yeah, that's it.
And it's all in.
Dad, you are an excellent cook, but I hope you like this cake we're baking. And I hope that every father around the world accepts this as a gift for Father's Day.
We love you, Dad.
You're the best dad in the world.
Father, I hope you like this cake we're making.
The cake is done. Okay. Now we are gonna pour it into the tray.
We will use this to empty out the bowl safely.
We poured the cake mix into the tray. Now we are going to put it in the oven and bake it for 30 minutes. احنا حطينا الكيك بالهاي الصينية، راح نحطها بالفرن ل 30 دقيقة.
Be careful of the hot oven to not hurt your hands.
Done.
Done.
Happy
Yeah,
Father's Day.
Day.
Father's Day.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay.
Yay.
Wow, that looks good.
Happy Father's Day.
We love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day.
We love you,
Dad. Happy Father's Day
to all the fathers around the world.